Ashley's favorite. So like that so means that she will put me in the most movies there is that she's going to make. So don't complain if you've seen me a lot in the movies. I'm her favorite. But now that this new dog came, she is like her second favorite, so we both will be in movies. Like, for example, you gave me some broken bones! Ah! And that movie is really called Broken Bones, yeah. So I accidentally gave her some broken bones in real life. What? What was that? Nothing. And she'll be starring in another movie, like, come on girl, hurry. Ah! I got another broken bone! Why? That one was actually called Broken Bones 2. Yeah. And she'll also be starring in another movie like this one. Let's go! Ah! Stop giving me some broken bones! I'm not doing anything! That one, oh sorry, we had to get her out the shot. That one was actually called The Revenge for Giving Her Broken Bones. Yeah. I know, I'm still in the same place. Fine, she didn't star in any movies yet. We just made that up those movies. You caught me. Jeez. Get off the screen! Why do I keep something to tell people that? Sorry. So, yeah, I'm outside right now, on the patio, sitting. Come on in, Miranda. Please don't give me any broken bones. Oh, for goodness sakes, woman. What? We're not in a movie, so I won't give you no broken bones. Oh, okay. Oh, my bones. The revenge of the broken bones. Get off the freaking screen. Ah! Broken bones. My ball. Ah. 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 Shut up. Well, those are some of the parts that she was in. Now let me show you. Right now, I'm on the banister of my patio. Banister. Yeah, you can see that car. Yeah, because I'm on the banister. You could tell I wasn't filming. Let me turn this off. Sorry. Alrighty then, I'm on the other banister side. Yeah. And now I'm on the grass, on the banister side. Actually, these are rugs. Stop following me! Now right here, I'm on the grill. The grill. It's a little teensy grill. And I crystal clear. Can you see me clearly? Yeah. Rock on, man, rock. Sorry, I know you hear that in the background. So what I wanted to do now is to sing a song outside. My name is Miranda. It rhymes with, yeah. Isn't that a great song? Boo! Boo! That's all I got! Aww. Hey people, right now I'm on the doorknob. Yeah. Rock on.
Are you alright? Whatevs.
Alright, I'm so sorry about what happened. Sorry about that noise. Anyways, yeah, that was my brother. So, well, I'm sorry about what happened when I fell. I'm still outside. See, I'm in the back. Remember you saw that on the patio? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so let me show you. Okay, guys. Right now, I'm hiding away from Miranda. You're wondering why? She's trying to give me broken bones. I told her it was just a freaking movie. So I gotta hide in this grass. It might take an hour for her to find me. Yeah. Spec, relax, and diamonds. Well, it took a while. Let's go outside. Oh, no, there she goes. I'm looking for you to give you some broken bones. You can run, but you can't hide, Miranda. I heard something. Okay, right now I'm running away from Miranda. Okay, just steady. Yeah, I'm holding the camera myself. The cameraman got so scared that he ran away. Now I need to find a place to hide. Seems that I should have right here. Not much places. Ow! Ugh, seems like the plants are not on my side right now. Just a second. I'm putting more grass here so she won't be able to see me that well. There we go. Grass. That seems like the high spot. I'm still coming for you, Miranda. She's not in here. Aha! It looks like these grass pieces were torn to hide from me. I know, you heard that loud noise? Yeah, I was outside. So, yeah, I know that she's hiding in there because, well, who with grass places to hide? It wasn't some place. And, like, she is so dumb. She thinks she can get past me. Oh. When I look over this video, I will feel the victory of fighting and beating. Let's go see. What? Unbelievable. So right now, I'm still running from Miranda. There we go. Yeah, right there. Yeah. I'm thinking of hiding behind this wheel of this big car. Alright. This is like right behind this wheel. She'll never find me here. Oh, and if I've been calling her Miranda, it's not really Miranda, it's Lucy. I got her mixed up with my name. I don't know how. Okay, here she comes. She don't think she can get away from somebody. I think I see something. She thinks she can give me some broken bones. Yes, I do. Ah! Yeah. Ah! Ah! Oh. Well, it seems like we both seem to have gotten broken bones. Yeah. Well, yeah, that was our movie. Hope you enjoyed. Ha! We gotcha! When I said that we were just making up the movie. Yeah! Boom! Boom, boom, boom. See? We're in the same place. Blue ground, 'cause this is the basement. What's up, yo? Ha! Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's what's up. We got you. Bye.